We know that last 2 months we released the reasons, the census report about children in the streets and why are people in the streets. And of course, according to what I have seen the reasons here, it's just also what was captured, that parents maybe were quarreling from home, there's disagreement between parents, so the child feels, okay, this is not a conducive environment for me to stay, and they bolt out. Some of the issues are poverty. Some of them are disagreements between the father and the mother, or a child is born out of wedlock and the mother comes and dumps the child at the father's place, and the father doesn't know what to do with this child, so the child feels lost, and in the process maybe the father works as a hawker or doing some menial jobs in a factory, is not there for the child. At the end of the day, the child moves out of home. Now, what do we say over here? There is a lot that needs to be done for us as a country to invest in the emotions of people, in the social environment. I think we need to invest more on what is happening at our environment. We already have Nyumba Kumi. And listening to the stories from the councillors over here, there is need for reconciliation and forgiveness to be done within the Kijiji before these children bolt out. I take this opportunity to call on the Nyumba Kumi people, where there is a sub-chief, an assistant chief, where there is a chief, to be conscious of what is happening in the social environment of Wananchi, so that we stop young boys. Just see how young they are. Coming all the way from Kakamega, for example, or from Kisii. It's because they could not remain at that particular home. Let us go back to our African virtues of caring for one another. And we know that we have challenges. You don't have to particularly say you're caring, but bring to the attention of the government, of the leadership, and we know it is down there up to the chief. Why don't you draw the attention and say, in this home, children go to bed hungry. In this home, there is this disagreement. Then reconciliation starts over there. Even as we support institutions like these ones to rescue those into who are already in the streets, to be reintegrated back into the community.